Welcome back to It's Cooking Good. Today we're going to be cooking chicken saltimbocca, which is a famous Italian dish and one of my personal favourites. So let's crack on and start preparing. So all I've got here is some chicken breasts. It's actually 3 chicken breasts, and all I've done is butterflied them and then cut them in half and then pounded them down a bit. The good thing about doing it this way means that actually they cook really quickly in the pan, and you also get 6 portions from 3 chicken breasts, which is even better. Okay, so what I'm going to do is on the top of that, I'm going to add some Parma ham. Notice what I've done today, my nemesis, the Parma ham. I've pre-taken it out and rolled it up, and that seems to have worked a treat. Pull that in like that, and then we want some fresh sage leaves, and over here I've got some cocktail sticks. And basically what you're going to do is sort of do a little bit of needlework, like so. You're just pinning those sage leaves to the chicken. Hopefully you can see that. I'm just going underneath, through the sort of skin, back up through. Put another one on there. I love sage, so I could put loads on, but I'll stick with the 3 today. That's it. Okay, just put that one to one side. I'll do one more. Chicken breast, see how nice and thin that is? Perfect. Get our Parma ham, like so. I spoke too soon. That's it, perfect. Like so, get one of those, get some more sage leaves. That's it. Put the first one on. Another one. There we go, and one more. That's it. And then what you want to do with these, you're going to grab these. Here, I've got some, I'll just move this over actually so you can see it a bit better. Get that out of the way. Here, I've got some seasoned flour. I've literally, it's plain flour, and I've just seasoned it with a bit of salt and pepper. What you want to do is just coat this in that flour. Just shake it off a little bit, and then put it onto a plate there. Do it with another one, like so. That's it. Do the other side. Just make sure it's nicely coated. Shake it off and put it on there. Right, what I'll do is I'll finish off these other ones. Once they're done, I'll see you over the hob and we can get cooking. Okay, so I've got the pan on a medium heat. We're just going to add in some olive oil. Get that going, and then to that, you've literally got 3 cloves of garlic here, which I've just sort of cut in half. All we're really using these for is to flavour that oil. So we just want to get them circulated around. We will be taking these out in a little while. Oh, that's it. Perfect. Then in with our chicken. And we're going to go Parma ham side down first. I probably won't be able to get all of these in the pan, so I will try. Okay. Get as many of these in as I can. I can move them around again in a minute, that's no problem. That's probably it for that, okay. And we're going to cook these on this side for about 3 to 4 minutes. They won't need much longer. While they're cooking, I'm just going to add in a few knobs of butter. Just dot it around. Like so. That's it. We'll leave those for, as I say, 3 to 4 minutes, and we'll check them then. Okay, so those have had about 3 minutes. Let's have a little look, see how we're getting on. Perfect. That is exactly what I'm looking for. I'm going to flip all of these over. It's got some nice colour there, and the smells, guys, honestly, is amazing. That sage. Lovely. That's it. And then what you notice is as well, I didn't season the actual chicken, because obviously we've got the saltiness from the Parma ham and now the butter in the pan as well. But also I did season the flour with both salt and pepper. So I don't want it to be over seasoned. I can always add that at the end. Okay, so now that that's cooking away nicely, I'm going to add in about 3 tablespoons of white wine. Okay, and just let that bubble away We'll probably leave that now for about another minute. Okay, so that's had its minute. I'm now going to add in some chicken stock. Literally, I'd say about another 4 tablespoons. What this is creating is a lovely sauce to go along with this. And again now, we're probably going to leave this for about another 3 to 4 minutes, let it reduce a bit, and then we'll finish it off with a little bit more butter, and then we'll be able to give it a go. Okay, so that's reducing down nicely. What I've done in the meantime, because I thought it would be a bit boring for you to watch, was actually take the chicken out, just to take those cocktail sticks out, because obviously when you serve them, you don't really want cocktail sticks in your chicken. So we're just going to take out that garlic. It's done its job. It will have flavoured this beautifully. Take that out like so. And then we're just going to add in a couple of knobs of that butter, just to enrich this sauce even more. Just let that melt away nicely. Just stir it through, like so. And now back in with our chicken. We'll just arrange it around the pan like so. There we go. And last one. Add in the pan juices as well. Don't want to waste any of that goodness. And that's it. We are done. I'll see you over at the bench and let's see how they taste. So we are done. Took a little over 10 minutes on the hob, but the result looks fantastic. It looks delicious. And I, for one, cannot wait to try it. We would normally serve this either like this, family style. We'll put it in the middle of the table. We'll serve it either with some salad or rice or pasta. Tonight, actually, we're having it with Parmesan potatoes, which go really, really well. Nice bit of bread to mop those juices up. Lovely. Similarly, you could serve it up on the plate. Look really, really nice ahead of time. Anyway, I've done enough talking. I want to get cracking on this. I'm going to make sure I get a bit of everything. It's definitely some of that juice. Got a nice bit of sage on there. Don't want to burn my mouth. That is stunning. So, so good. Such a simple dish. As you saw, there's not an awful lot in there, but the flavours, wow, really, really good. I hope you've enjoyed this one. Please do give it a try at home. I don't think you'll be disappointed at all. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for watching through to the very, very end. I look forward to seeing you again soon. Until then, all I've got left to say is, it's cooking good.